Hey everybody, Darren Cross here. Welcome to week 9 of Business 215, Small Business Management. This week we're talking about money. That's what it's all about anyway, right? So the reason why people start businesses, regardless of what they tell you, is because they want to make money at the thing that they're doing, right? So believe me, I've been through this discussion with entrepreneurs probably 1,000 times, and people were saying, well, I want to save the world and I want to take my message. You can do that working for somebody. Why do people start businesses? Because they want to make money, or they want to make a living at the thing that they're doing, right? So that's what we're talking about here. The chapter 12 is all about, we're starting to talk about money here. So we're talking about small business accounting. So this is not an accounting class. This is not supposed to replace an accounting class. This is just some of the concepts that you might learn in an accounting class. So that's really the extent to which we're going to talk about accounting in this course. So the learning objectives that we're going to look at here, we're going to describe the basic concepts of accounting. So we're going to look at those basic concepts that you will learn when you do take an accounting class, right? So you're going to talk about debits and credits and columns and balancing and all of that stuff. We're going to specify the requirements for small business accounting systems. So the thing is, there are all kinds of systems that you're going to use, but we're going to talk about those things that you got to have if you're going to be using those systems, okay? We're going to explain the content and format of common financial statements. So we're going to look at several different types of financial statements that business owners and consultants and people in this realm should be looking at. We're going to see what they mean and what they really are telling us. We're going to use accounting information as a tool for managing your business effectively. So what is it that we need accounting for? What is it really doing for us? We're keeping track of the money coming in and the money going out. For what reason? There's several different reasons that we're going to look at, including how we look to the outside world, how to manage our performance, how to file our taxes and make sure that we're totally in compliance and those kinds of things. We're going to create a set of appropriate budgets that support developing pro forma financial statements for your business plan. So pro forma means that we are projecting, right? So when you are starting a business, part of the confusion is that you need to kind of understand what you think you're going to do in the future. And so we're projecting. And in order to project, one of the things that we're concerned about is the expenditure part of that. And if we're going to be allegiant to that, then we have to set budgets and we have to kind of understand what we're doing from a budget standpoint. Does that mean that we always hit the budget? No, but at least we're setting it and we have a goal, and that's the first part of this. The income, of course, is the other part. And everybody is kind of guessing until they have some data. Right now, you don't have any data, so you're just doing your best to kind of come up with a guess. Okay, and we are going to use accounting information to make better decisions. So as we're looking at the financial metrics of the decisions we make, the idea here is that we use that stuff in order to gain an understanding of what we've done, and so that we can project better in the future. Okay, so again, this isn't an accounting class. I think these concepts are pretty simple, but like always, if you have any questions at all, just reach out to me. Good luck, everyone.